From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
And a good Friday afternoon. This is your last Campus Weather Service forecast for the Friday afternoon shift. Happy you decided to join us here. We do have some very cold weather across the area this morning. A live look over the Nittany Valley shows what is a very dreary looking start to the day. We have a lot of low clouds out there, and it's very breezy as well. So if you are heading out to class or work, certainly want to bundle up this morning. The current temperature here in State College is only 28 degrees, and with the wind blowing west-northwest at 14 miles per hour, the feels-like temperature is 17 degrees. So again, very cold as you step out this morning, and we are seeing some light snow showers in the area right now. If we take a look at the temperatures across the Commonwealth, you see that it's really cold anywhere you go, but it's coldest off to our west. So Johnstown is the cold spot right now, 20 degrees, 24 in Bradford, 26 in Pittsburgh. It's slightly milder off towards southeast PA. You can see 36 right now in Allentown and 37 degrees in Philadelphia. As I mentioned, the winds are up right now. We do have some strong gusts. These are sustained winds, actually. We have a 13-mile-per-hour sustained wind in Clearfield, 14-mile-per-hour sustained wind in DuBois. And if we look across the entire state, you'll see that across much of the state, we do have wind speeds right now on the order of 10 to 20 miles per hour. And what this is doing is making it feel much colder than it actually is. So rather than feeling like it's in the 20s, it right now feels like it's 20 over in Tyrone, 14 in Clearfield, and 11 in DuBois. And the wind chills across the state right now don't look too much better than that. Look at Johnstown right now. Feels like 7 degrees. It feels like 13 in Bradford. And it's a little better off to our southeast. Currently feels like 26 in Allentown. I'll hand it off to Paul Mikolajczyk here. He's going to take you through the next couple of days.
Thank you very much for that introduction, Addis. Here, looking at the radar, you can see we have bands of snow coming off of Lake Erie as a result of a strong northwesterly flow, allowing for the wind chills to be quite a bit colder right around the State College area and for much of the Commonwealth for that matter. Some flurries and snow showers are present in the State College area, but aren't on the heavy side. The heavier snow is more confined toward the lakes, where several inches of snow to near a foot of snow can actually be expected in some of those bands, if not more. Looking at our future cast, you can see those bands of snow stretching from Bradford to Williamsport will continue to stretch from Erie all the way down south to maybe even State College for later this evening as those bands continue to push off the lake. It's not until Saturday that we really get into the clear, Saturday evening, but notice what's coming from the southwest. Another band of snow will be moving into our area by Sunday afternoon, allowing for another chance of snow. This is one of our models that we have for the snow. It's actually on the warmer side, giving State College near an inch, just under an inch. Bradford really gets a lot of snow, though, on this model, close to a foot of snow by Bradford, so definitely a significant impact storm for that particular region. And now, with the forecast for today, here is student meteorologist Alex Tomoff.
Thank you, Paul, for giving us a look at the weather there. Looking back for today, expect highs to barely get above freezing here. 33 degrees are your expected highs for today. Snow showers will continue throughout the afternoon and into the evening. Winds will be out of the west around 15 miles an hour. Looking at tonight, though, lows will fall into the lower 20s, another cold night. Scattered snow showers will persist through the overnight hours. Winds could gust up to 20 miles an hour as well. And then looking at tomorrow, another cold one. Highs will barely get out of the 20s, maybe around 30, low 30s. Partly mostly cloudy skies, though, so a little break from the snow showers. Winds still coming out of the west. And now for your 7-day forecast, Seth and Jake are up next.
Thanks, Alex, for that introduction. This is Seth Cohen and I here with the 7-day forecast. So let's take a look at what we got going on today. So Friday, of course, as Alex was describing, we'll see some snow showers persisting through the areas, high around 33 degrees and low around 20 degrees. So it's going to get pretty cold overnight. So if you're heading out for some late night final studying this weekend, especially bring that jacket and scarf and potentially some hats and gloves as well. It's going to be pretty cold out there. So Saturday, we're looking at partly sunny skies, some clearing going on. Again, temperatures really not reaching above freezing throughout the entire day. And then Sunday, some of the light snow flurries and showers continue. Highs right around the freezing point, 33 degrees, and lows around 27 degrees. And then looking at Monday, we have our next chance of a little winter event, some wintry mix possible with highs around 40 degrees and lows in the mid-20s. So let's hand it off to Seth to take a look at the rest of our forecast.
Yeah, the rest of the work week, the middle of the work week next week is going to be very cold. Tuesday will be a little bit cold in the middle thirds with mostly cloudy skies. But as we head into Wednesday and Thursday, high temperatures will struggle to get out of the teens and barely into the lower 20s Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday will be mostly cloudy skies with the potential of some snowfall late Wednesday night. Details to be determined at this moment in time. And then Thursday, it'll be mostly cloudy skies depending on exactly the timing of the storm. Again, the details are very undetermined right now as the storm is about a week away. Thank you so much, and here's our send-off.
And on behalf of the entire Friday afternoon forecast shift, we want to thank you all for tuning in throughout the semester. It was an honor to work with these guys. And does anybody else have anything to say?
Well, it's really a great time working with these guys. We've had lots of improvements. I'm sure we'll be back next semester, back at it again.
Absolutely. It's been a pleasure working with everyone here for my first shift this year. It's definitely an honor to work with these people. Very good group here.
Could not have asked for a better comm shift. It was a wonderful time. We had a lot of fun doing it every single Friday afternoon.
Yeah, it was a blast. Thanks so much tuning in every week to watch our videos.
Happy
The holidays!